still to come this season. Please subscribe and join us on the journey. Now let's get back to our destination. Part of me feels like just chilling around Gig Harbor to not have to drive again for one day.
Well, we have to go tomorrow for a whale watching.
Ah, that's right. Never mind. We're going. We're going.
Now we don't have to go to Seattle after the whale watching, but I mean it's kind of on the way. So if we're gonna do it, we might as well.
Or we come back, explore Gig Harbor more in-depthly, and eat at that burger place. We've got to start sampling the foods.
I thought we were going to do that tonight, after our hike. Really getting nervous at the fact that there's snow everywhere.
What's wrong with snow?
I mean, it's fine, but I didn't bring any. I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt and that's it. You're wearing shorts. Oh, tight. Oh yeah!
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
You just have the map in your pocket.
Yeah. My compass works, so if you do get lost, you've at least got a compass and a map.
See, now isn't this the kind of trail you want to walk? As opposed to just the little like paved trails in your neighborhood. Look how pretty it is and the sound of the water. That's cool.
Concentration, and if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
And that is exactly why that's used in commercials. Because I see that and I'm like, I could really go for a drink of water. Obstruction.
This jaggedy
Now is when you look at me and say work smarter, not harder, since I stepped over it. This is Laughing Water Creek. Does it sound like it's laughing?
We're here.
Yeah, so not too much farther to the actual falls. It was so peaceful being surrounded by the silence and beauty of the forest, but the cherry on this Sunday was right around the corner. After leaving the falls, I was really excited to take a trail that detours off of Silver Falls Loop to the Grove of the Patriarchs. But when we reached the trail to branch off, we found a problem. Aw, man, the grove is closed. Yep, the bridge that leads over to the Grove of the Patriarchs was closed, and it was being repaired. We even spoke with a gentleman that was coming down the trail just to confirm that it was current. Sadly, it was. He told me that you could get up to the bridge, but that's about as far as the trail would go, so you couldn't actually enter the grove. It was a sad moment since I'd been looking forward to seeing some of the largest and oldest trees in the Washington Cascades. But with the suspension bridge out, we decided to look at it as a reason to come back to this trail in the future. With that, we continued along the Silver Falls Loop to complete our hike. Silver Falls Loop was the only trail we went on while in Mount Rainier, but it gave us a sample of what this national park has to offer. With us only being here for the day and still needing to drive back to Gig Harbor, we discovered how great this park is and knew that we would be back someday for a longer stay where we could not only make it out to the Grove of the Patriarchs, but also see many of the other hikes available, such as Skyline Trail and the Bench and Snow Lakes. I don't know about you, but I can't wait to go back.
Worked hard today.
Yeah.
I earned that burger we're gonna eat tonight.
Right. I don't know about you, but like the first all the way up to the falls, like when you take what's the East Trailhead, I think it is. Mm-hmm. That was like definitely the prettier of the halves of that loop. For me anyway, because there's a lot of times where there's like big open spaces and all the different little falls and stuff we walk by, like almost like prepping us for when we got to the big one. I think it's safe to say that this was a 2-hour drive out to the trailhead was much more worth it than the 3-hour drive out to Leavenworth.
10 out of 10 would recommend.
I would recommend doing this one instead of Leavenworth.
Yeah.